Here we are, boys and girls. It is Thursday, May 14th, and it is so early in the morning. Mr. Spiegel got me up so early just so that we could go bird watching. And we haven't seen very many birds.
Wait a second, Mr. Froggy. Who got who up? You got me up, remember?
Oh, Mr. Spiegel, I don't know about that.
No, Mr. Froggy, really. Let's just look. We can go back and see because it's on tape. It's on video.
Oh, let's see. Mr. Spiegel! Mr. Spiegel! Mr. Froggy, it's so early. Mr. Spiegel. Oh, hold on. Oh, what is it, Mr. Froggy? It's time to get up. What? It's time to get up. No, Mr. Froggy, what time is it? Oh, boys and girls. Oh, Mr. Froggy, what time is it?
Okay, Mr. Froggy, you've got your wish. I could be inside there, sleeping right now.
Oh, but Mr. Spiegel, I am so excited. We're going on a bird watch. I'm going to hear some birds. Listen. Can you hear those birds? Okay, we're going to go on a bird watch. Bird watch.
But it's raining. It's not a particularly nice day.
Oh, it's a lovely day.
This is my backyard, believe it or not. And, uh-oh, it's going to be super wet. I can hear birds. Let's go see what we have. I'm not sure what kind of birds we have here. It's a kind of blackbird. Looking up, you can see the bird up there. And the nest. You can hear it chirping. I don't know what it is. Remember, boys and girls, when you're on a bird watch, you have to be patient. You have to be looking for movement, and you have to be looking for colors, because birds will just flash by. And usually you will hear them and not see them. In the background you can probably hear some birds, but I haven't seen very many. But I'm going to keep looking. So be patient and be observant. There, of course, is a robin. And there it goes.
Oh, Mr. Spiegel, I didn't see very much bird action. Oh, and I'm so tired now. It's so early still.
Like I mentioned, Mr. Froggy, you don't always see birds all the time. You just have to be watchful and see if you can see some.
Oh, I don't know how great that is. I thought I would see bazillions of them.
No, Mr. Froggy, you usually don't. Sorry about that.
Oh, you woke me up so early. Now I'm going back to sleep.
Oof. Sounds like a good idea to me.
Bye, everyone.